Good day mariners, this is Amit Meena, founder of Monk Marine Services. In today's video, the topic of discussion would be that what is the importance of a good psychological well-being when you are on board the vessel. See, we need to understand, we need to accept the fact that we being a mariner, we are away from family, we are away from our country, we are away from our culture, away from our social circle and things like that. See, these are the normal requirements. When we study political science, the most important statement, the very first important statement is man by nature is a social animal. So you need to accept that we are actually social beings. But due to our occupational reason, occupational challenges or the nature of our work on board the ship, that is we as merchant navy officers, see we need to realize that our occupation is definitely an offbeat occupation and need to understand that we are away from our family and things like that. So what really happens is at times it does happen with every individual, every seafarer, that during the course of the tenure when he's on board, probably in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, whatsoever your period you are there on board, psychological well-being plays a very important role, and here is what the motivational level comes in. So you need to understand and you need to make sure that your psychological level is well maintained on board the vessel. You keep talking to your colleagues, you can take advice from your seniors, you can discuss things among your same rank holders or something like that. There is also government website available in India where you can take counseling on psychological level, and believe me, these things play a very important role. A positive mindset on board the vessel is very much required because that is directly related to your safety on board, your security on board and things like that, where you so many a times the operation which goes on board, suppose you are an offshore vessel, you are doing anchor handling operation, towing operation, DP operation with offshore installations and things like that. See, these are risk involved activities, a lot of risk involved in that. Whatsoever risk assessment you do, that is definitely a part of it. LMRA, last minute risk assessment you do, that's also very important. But you need to understand the psychological well-being, what a person really thinks at his mental level, at his intelligence level, what he's thinking plays a very important role. That really needs to be kept at a very positive level, in the positive zone. It has to be kept at an elevated level so that you are aware of your own safety, your colleague's safety, and the work culture is really in a happy mood. You do your operation, and that is very important. Such topics will keep coming up on this platform. Do keep tuned up, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much. And remember, safety first.